welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to change out this here little doohickey, the button that raises our garage door. There's nothing mechanically wrong with this button, it just looks awful. So we're going to change it out and hopefully we won't lose the functionality of the little light, but I'm not sure. We picked up this universal wall push button kit at Home Depot. I think it was like $9. It has your push button itself and the 2 screws. And then we also picked up a couple of those little spacers that go into your wall, just in case the hole that the screws go into is stripped. We're not sure. So I'm gonna take off the old button, have a look-see, and see if we can get this replaced. Okay guys, so our first step is to take this little dingus off. I have to use a little bit smaller screwdriver on this one than on my replacement button. So I'm going to take this off and then we're going to unplug it so that we don't electrocute ourselves, because that would be a bad day at the homestead. You know what I'm saying? This one's pretty cut and dry. Just unplug it from its power source. And if you look over there on the wall, see how that red light has gone out? That means there's no more electrical going through it. If you look on the back here, hooked on with just these 2 screws. So we're going to unscrew those and we're going to screw them back onto here. Now we'll know if we've done it correctly, if it works. It's that simple. If it doesn't work, whoops. If it doesn't work, we'll unscrew them, switch them, start all over again. That should take care of it. Here we go. Just kidding. Just kidding, everybody relax. And don't make fun of my pink-handled screwdriver. I do all kinds of things with my little pink tools, and they work like a charm. All right, I'm gonna hook it up like so. Make sure your connection's good and tight. And then before I actually go so far as to screw it back into the wall, I'm gonna go plug my power source back in and see if the garage door works. Fingers crossed. I have created life! Yay! So now, we're just gonna, well first I'm gonna go unplug it again. Now, we're just gonna screw it back in. I'm just not even gonna bother with trying to do the top one without pounding one of these into the hole. So it's easy peasy. You just pound it in. Ready? Oh my god, and it lines up perfectly, yay! Ooh. No? That's catching. Okay. Or is it? Nope. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna pound the other one in too. Booyah! Alright, now we're gonna screw it back in. All right, I'm bringing out the big guns. Because, well, I just don't have the upper body strength. I should. All right, guys, so I'm using a bigger spacer. With the little yellow one that I was using, it was still stripped. It still wasn't grabbing a hold of the screw. So I'm gonna use this larger one. We're just gonna do the same thing, pound it in. All right, that's seating much better. There you go. And now we'll plug it back in. Make sure it works. All right, guys, so what happened is I was a little forceful in my repair. And this little wire back here ended up breaking. So what we're gonna do is snip this off, okay? And then we're gonna put a little bend in this so that it will go around the screw. And very carefully this time, we're going to put it back on the wall. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to bring in the big guns, and that's my husband. All right, so let's give it a shot. I'm just gonna fold these back in so they're kind of out of the way. Now I'm nervous. Afraid I'm gonna push with my bullish self a little too hard again. Gently. Gently. Let's give her a try, huh? Fingers crossed, everyone. Heavens to Betsy. All right, wish me luck. Magical moments. Yay! It's so exciting! Ooh-wee! We did it! Watch this. Booyah! So that's it. That is how you replace the garage door opener button with some issues, but we still got it done. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.